What up guys, welcome to Chef Vic, and today I'm going to show you guys a cool way of making barbacoa. I know I did this in the past of my last video. It was indoors, but this time we're going to kick off a new series I'm going to start for you guys. It's called Just Barbecue, and here it goes my friends. Enjoy barbacoa. Alright guys, so we're gonna start with this beautiful roast, lamb roast right here. And wait, one more second before we start, I want to show you guys how to make the delicious barbacoa marinade. It's a chili based type of marinade that goes very well with lamb. So in here we got some New Mexico chilies right here. Seed them and take the stems off. We also got the double chilies as well. I leave the little seeds in there because I want a slight little spice to it. So we're gonna toast them up to they become fragrant. And then we're gonna add our garlic and our Mexican saffron. That's optional. And then right here we're gonna add some peppercorns. That's gonna be a couple teaspoons or so. And then Mexican oregano, of course, you gotta add that there. And we're just gonna roast these spices all up. We got 2 cloves as well inside, and then a half a stick of cinnamon. So we're gonna roast these up to become fragrant. That takes nothing but about a minute and a half to toast the spices. Once the minute and a half so you can smell them, you're gonna add some hot water and you're gonna boil them till they become soft, especially the chilies. When you could grab the chilies and rip them easily, then they're ready to blend. Blend in the blender and blend it up and smooth. Notice that we didn't add salt to this. There's a couple of reasons why I didn't want to add salt. One, we're just gonna use this as the binder to make the seasoning stick to the meat. And also we're gonna add salt on the meat instead, so we don't over salt it. So here's the lamb. This is a blade bone lamb roast. So we're gonna add some of your chilies into the lamb, really rub that down, give it some love, and this will help the salt and pepper mixture to stick to it and also flavor fit. This chili marinade I like about it is that it really takes off the gaminess of lamb for some reason. Because I think it's because the chilies in it really helps take that gaminess away. So we're gonna generally season it with the salt and pepper 50-50. So 1 cup kosher salt and 1 cup of black pepper. Right here, just generally season it. Make sure you get all around. This is why I didn't add salt to the marinade, because we're gonna add a ton of it with the rub. So just rub it down like so. So once we rub our meat down, we're gonna preheat the barbecue to at least 275 degrees. I'm using hickory wood, so get that going. Once your barbecue is nice and heat up, put your meat. I put it towards the middle because that's kind of like the good zone for my barbecue and to cook it. So we're gonna cook this for 3 hours, and in 3 hours we're gonna check it. Alright guys, so I've got the lamb and the roast. Excuse me for the noise. I'm outside of my place, but got it going. I always want to try and set at least at 275. Why? Why is that necessary? Anyways though, I got it set up for at least 280 degrees Fahrenheit, maybe at 300 for a good minute. I kind of want to cook a little on the hot side for this type of thing because I want a good bark on it. But after that, then we're gonna wrap it up with the delicious banana leaves that gives so much flavor. Avocado leaves. If you can't find those, of course get bay leaves. Perfect substitute. And then wrap it up really tight with foil and stuff like that, and then finish off like that. But again though, gotta let it cook and let it develop that beautiful bark. So I see you guys in a little bit. Alright, that's better. Now I can see you guys. Hopefully you guys can see me. But so you can see that beautiful bark. It's forming nicely. So I'm gonna get ready to wrap this up pretty soon. It's been 2.5 hours. Every 30 minutes or so, I'm spraying down with apple cider vinegar. Just keep it moist, keep it juicy. Again, don't forget to put a water pan to keep it moist and all that. So in a little bit guys, we're gonna wrap it up and really finish this barbacoa. Alright guys, so it's time to wrap these beautiful type of meat right here. I'm using banana leaves because typical traditional way is maguey leaves, but where I'm at, they're very hard to find. So I'm using banana leaves as a good substitute for those, and of course avocado leaves. So let's wrap this up and get started. Alright guys, so we're gonna get some big old piece of foil here and lay them out. That's gonna be the thing that holds all the juices, all that beautiful oh no. Anyway guys, so I'm having trouble with the wind. The wind is really frightening me with this, so be patient. So once you lay your foil and your banana leaves, you're gonna add your chili marinade on top of the meat as well. You're gonna add some white onions here, big chunks. You don't want them too small. And then, as you can see, the wind is really fighting me, and it's really annoying. I swear this is supposed to be a very calm weather, but it wasn't turning out. So add your avocado leaves as best you can. Make sure they don't fly away into the abyss, and wrap it very tightly. And as you can see, I'm very fighting with the wind and really having a hard time wrapping it up. But once you wrap it up, wrap it really tight as possible, tight as you can. And this is going to slowly braise the meat to the tenderness. Now this will take, depending on how hot you run your smoker, it could take for a couple hours more or so, but this takes me at least about 3 to 3.5 hours. This on slow cook, keep it nice clean fire, and cook it. Alright guys, so we wrapped it up, and then we're going to let it cook for at least another 3 hours till it hits the eternal temp of 205. And it should be nice and tender. So see you in a little bit. Alright, so okay, it's a little dark in here. Maybe we've got a little sunlight right about here. Not too much because it's kind of harsh lights right there. But anyways, my friend, so the meat's nice and tender. Just let it rest. Rest, my friends. I know, be patient, and well, the is very loud. But let it rest, my friends. Let it rest until it collects all the juices, goes resorts by the meat. Keep it tender, and then let it rest for at least, I would say, by that big side of meat, at least 30 minutes to an hour, and keep it wrapped and let it rest. And once that's done, it's time to eat. Alright guys, so I let this baby rest for 30 minutes. I probably should have let it rest a little longer, but I have the patience of zero. But I'm in place right now, so we're gonna unwrap this guy and check out the goodness, what is in there. So here is the barbacoa. You can see those leaves got really moist. It releases moisture, keep that tenderness, and also flavor it. And look at that, the bone wants to come off. So good, so tasty. Alright guys, so right here we're gonna pull out some of the meat, right, and then we're gonna chop it up. So here what you guys want to do is once you get the meat out, we're gonna chop it up a little more finer, give that beautiful texture. This is probably some of the Mexican restaurants would do. Take a little meat off and give it a good little choppy chop with a cleaver, or any kind of knife you guys have. I just like using the cleaver to have these kind of things, but it's your guys' choice. But this meat is good, my friends. Put some of that meat on a corn tortilla. I like keeping my tacos a little classic way, so like white onion, some cilantro, a little bit of lime juice squeeze right there, just like that, and that's about it. That's how I like my tacos. It's simple because you can taste more of the meat and have those other stuff complement it. I love this type of barbacoa because it takes away the gaminess of the lamb. We just make it taste so good with that smoky flavor, that chili spice from the marinade. So good, my friends. Enjoy. Alright guys, so that's the barbacoa. Very delicious. And I'm pretty sure you guys is wondering why in my room, but the weather was just fighting me that day, and just like everything just was. You see how many wrapped the barbacoa, that thing was fighting me, so that's why too I'm doing the room. This is kind of a couple days after, so just let you know that. But that thing came out good, nice smoky flavor, the chili flavor. You could taste the lamb, but it's not overly like that gaminess that lamb has sometimes, so that's all I really love about it. And so good, my friends. Again, you can't talk. For the most part though, you could some other places too. You can even pre-order those at Amazon as well. Avocado leaves, the same thing, Mexican restaurant, grocery stores. Also too, you can order those from Amazon as well. They'll probably come in a bigger pack, but hey, awesome flavors, awesome way of doing it. And that chili marinade you can save for many things. You can marinate chicken, carne asada, all that good stuff, my friends. So stick around for that. All that good stuff is coming soon. I really am excited doing this new series with you guys of just barbecue. I love it. And like I got the saying of barbecue is, you gotta keep it low and slow like a low rider. But no, for my friends. So if you guys like this video, hit that like, and if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe, my friends. It really helps me out, and I appreciate you guys. And also hit that bell to notify you guys for upcoming new adventures or new videos, all that good stuff. If you have any questions or any ideas you want me to do for you guys, recipes or anything like that, don't be afraid to hit that comment and let me know, my friends, and I will try to do my best to get this to you guys. And coming soon, my friends, there's some cool stuff will come your way. I'm planning something big, and I can't wait to show you. Can't wait. So stick around for that, my friends. It's coming your way.